Brice Payne of the Wealth Guardians here with a few quick questions for you. Do you know how to file Social Security for your maximum lifetime payout? What's the best strategy to use to protect your spouse in the event of your death? What's the difference between spousal and survivor benefits? And more importantly, are you eligible? If you aren't sure how to answer these questions, we can help. Attend our workshop, Maximizing Your Social Security, May 2nd or May 7th at 6:30 p.m. in Clemmons. Learn how to pinpoint the best time to file, how earnings and pensions can impact Social Security income and taxes, strategies for widows and divorcees, and how we use Social Security and our retirement income plans so you can indeed retire the job and keep the paycheck. Register now. The event is free, but seating is limited. Click the link below or call 336-391-3409. That's 336-391-3409.